This class has helped me a lot, like, I think for a lot of people probably become more comfortable in the kitchen, and at least from like a cooking standpoint, obviously being more comfortable is good for like college, living by yourself. But also like, it's taught me like quite a couple things, like the basics about cooking, and I think that's really good in order to build off of.
Cooking is a lot of fun, and I feel like all of it could be, like doing this every day, I think could be really interesting.
What do I wish I made? I really wish I worked a lot more with like fish and meat in this class, because we had to barely touch it due to like the snow days and stuff and like the amount of crunch time. Like I really would have loved to like work more with like the actual meat, poultry, and fish part of it.